Assalamualaikum, how are you guys? Hope you all are fine. So today in this video we are going to remove background without Photoshop, and trust me, it's 100% free. So first of all, we'll open the website and we'll upload an image. As you can see, our image is here and you can see the difference. Just download it and we'll upload another image. It's a turtle and we'll download it too. So if we want to change its background, just come to Photoshop and unhide this background. So I think we should blur it because it not looks some real. So go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. So we'll set the radius at 3.4. I think it's better. Just check it. Okay. So as you can see, it's beautiful. So now we'll hide these two pictures and unhide this picture of water and this turtle. So we'll adjust this picture, just make it smaller and we'll rotate it. I think that's better. No. That's right. Now we'll adjust it. Press Ctrl L and we'll have the layer panel. Levels, sorry. Now we'll adjust it. So that's right. Just press OK and you can see the difference between before and after. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.